Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to manage the general settings in the Bitcoin application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you're done with that and you are in the home page, you should look at the top of your right corner and there you will see three dots. Press on it and here you can just press on the fifth option, which is settings, and you can just once again press on settings. And you will find here the general settings at first, and you will see here all the settings. You can just press on any of them, and some of them will take you to your phone's setting, and others can be just activated or deactivated with a single touch, such as the auto close send coins dialog. You can see that if you press on it, the check mark disappears, and if you press on it once again, the check mark will appear. So pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.